Hi everyone, thanks so much for listening to my Module 1 Periscope activity. I decided to do a Google slide presentation of the process of the plan, create and improve, and then do a screencast so that you could see. So first, my plan, so making and kind of thinking out how this was going to work, I used cardboard, scissors, two makeup mirrors, paint, hot glue, tape, and an X-Acto knife. And then I actually drew a picture on a whiteboard so that I could kind of get my ideas out. And I also YouTubed a video that's linked at the very end to kind of get my inspiration. In creating this, again, I used a really sturdy cardboard, which worked really well. And you can kind of see the process of how it started and then how it looked when I put my two mirrors in and then when it was completed. I painted it green so that I could use it outdoors and it blended in and it was sort of camouflaged. Again, there's my end all project, and I was actually pretty happy with how it turned out. There was a few things that I'll talk about in the improve section that I wanted to try and that I actually did to improve it during the process. I want to show you this video that I created just so that you can see the function of it. So I'm going to play that. Oops. And you can kind of see my fingers on the other side showing how it worked and it was very functional. To move on to the improve section, how I modified and retested. At first I used tape and found that hot glue worked a lot better. It made it a lot sturdier. I also cut the pieces a little bit too short the first time, so when I put it all together, my mirrors didn't fit in. So I had to recut and make them a little wider so that they were taller. Next time, a way I could modify it is maybe using smaller makeup mirrors and maybe using the same size mirrors. One was round and one was rectangular. But overall, I thought the success of it was really awesome just because it was, again, a really sturdy cardboard material and the size I thought was super effective that I could use that and translate that into my classroom. And I put the YouTube link at the end here of my inspiration that I used to get started. Thanks so much for listening.